Welcome back. In this session we are going to understand algorithms. To understand the algorithm, I will take this example. After understanding this one, then we will see how to use this algorithm. So here, coming to this example, at the time of invoice verification, Myro will post GRIR account debit to vendor account credit. On due date, we are making the payment to the vendor. So end user will post this entry, vendor account debit to outgoing payment clearing account. What we are doing here we are clearing all the open items of this vendor account and putting that amount into this intermediary clearing account. Amount will be here unless and until it is cleared in the main bank. Let us assume that in the main bank amount got cleared. Now we are uploading the EBS file into the SAP. When you upload the EBS file, system will post this entry, outgoing payment clearing account debit to main bank account. So here for this credit, debit is here. So these balances should get nullified. Now coming to this outgoing payment clearing account and incoming payment clearing account, these accounts are maintained on open item basis. Now basic question, when you are uploading a EBS statement, then how system is going to clear this open item? That is the concept. How system is going to map these two documents? For that purpose, we have to use, for clearing purpose only, algorithm purpose is clearing only. How to do the clearing? Because since we are maintaining this outgoing payment clearing account as well as the incoming payment clearing account on open item basis, then we should clear this open items as well. If we don't clear this one, both debit, credit, debit will appear in open item only. For that purpose, SAP provided algorithm. Use this algorithm based on your requirement. Now, let us assume I will take this check scenario. How to use this check algorithm? Number is 0, 1, 1. So now to use this one, we will understand first step, invoice verification. Second step, making the payment to the vendor. Let us assume we are issuing the check here because we are understanding 11 algorithm. After making this payment, end user will create check from FCH5 T code. FCH5. This is a manual check. If your customer is using manual check process and they have to create this check from this T code for this payment document, and this check will be updated in PAYR table. That is a different issue. PAYR table, check number. Now when you upload this one, let us assume we are uploading this one. Now we upload this into the system, but how system will find the check number? Then what is the link? So there are two cases here. First thing, we have to use the algorithm, this one in our configuration. Second thing, I am taking check number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the check number. I know that in SAP, my SAP system, in this table, I have this check number. To this check number, this document number is linked. Document number is linked. This is the in SAP side. But when you are uploading this statement into SAP, system is unable to clear. The reason is this check number should also contain in our uploading file. That is the concept. In previous session, we discussed about the understanding this file format. Here, the 61 and 86 means together will represent one transaction. So whenever you are uploading this check number in this financial transaction, 61 give the amount. So after the amount here, this is the external BTC, business transaction. After the end of this one, bank will give check number here in case of the check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the link. In your uploading file also you should have the check number. In SAP we already have this information, this table. So based on if you are using this algorithm to this NTRF BTC, after uploading, system will search based on this algorithm. All the logic means already SAP predefined this logic, how to search these tables and how to map. Everything is done by the SAP only. We are not going to do any further custom coding, these kind of the things for check. So now based on this one, system will find map based on this check number. System will go to this PAYR table and it will fetch this check number and it will fetch this linked document number. Then this document number is this one. So system will map this document number and this amount, then system will clear the open item. That is the concept. Hope you understand this one. Now we will quickly summarize. Where we issued the check. When you create the check from FCH file, check saved in this table, PAYR table, check number is this one. To this check number, this payment document is linked. So when you are uploading this statement into the SAP, we have this check information in this line. Payment again after BTC, we have the check number. This is the standard. If you have any check number, then system MT940 check number will be mentioned here. System will take this check number, means after uploading based on this 011, system will pick 1 2 3 4 5 and it will go to the PAYR table. Then it will take this check number, then it will take this document number. This is the link. Then based on the document number, system will map this debit and this credit. Then accordingly system will clear the open items. Hope you understand complete logic. Now coming to the assignment number. Assignment number. What is assignment number? We will see in this. See, this is the assignment number. This is the assignment number field. So when you are posting this entry, or this entry, the same assignment number will carry here based on our configuration again. Else we have to maintain it manually. This assignment number, based on this assignment number, that assignment number, whatever you are using, algorithm 11, 15, 20, 21, whatever you are using here, these numbers should be present in your uploading file. If you don't have that information in uploading file, clearing is not possible. That you have to, means that is the thumb rule. Whatever the, if you are using check number, then the check number should come in this line item, or either here or in note to pay. But typically check number will come after BTC. So now assignment number, we are using the assignment number. Let us assume here I posted this entry and assignment number is A1234. This is the assignment number. This assignment number is available in SAP's table. Now open items table. When we are uploading this statement into the SAP, system will check these information, 86 note to pay information. System will go and search for this A1234. If system finds A1234, then system will go to the open item table. It will match this A1234. Then it will pick the corresponding open item document number. Accordingly, it will do the mapping. If let us assume we are using this one, but we are not getting this assignment number in uploading file. So that means there is no use of using this assignment number. In case of business is asking you to clear the check number, first step you have to check whether the check number is coming in this file or not. That is the first point. If the check number is not coming in your uploading file, you have to communicate to your business that, boss, this is not possible because we are not getting the check number in these transactions. You ask your bank to provide the same in your uploading file, else clearing is not possible. Now coming to the document number. This is the document number is Bellner. This is called technical field name, Bellner. Now reference number is XBLNR. These are the technical field names. Belnar. If you want to clear based on the document number, let us assume that I posted one document here and I am posting one document here. Based on this document number, SAP's document number. This document number is in BKPF header table. This is the document number. This document number, if I want to clear the document, then this document number should come in this line item as well. This 86. It won't come in to 61. It will come in. This should be mentioned in this one, 86. Maybe you have a doubt how this document number will come in uploading file. Note to payee means while depositing the checks, means while making the payment, we will provide during the transfer we will mention additional information. These are the document numbers. These are the for against these document numbers we are making the payment. If the customer is depositing the check directly into our bank, he will mention this additional information in this check deposit slip. This document number against this document number or invoice number, like this. So based on that, bank will update this information in 86 field, that is called note to payee. So note to payee will give additional information. That is the concept here. Additional information about this transaction. So if you have document number here, then system will, based on this document number, we know that this document number is this one, and when you are uploading this into the SAP, you have the same document number in 86 field, and system will do the mapping of these two, and system will clear the open item. That is the concept of a document number. What is the reference number? Reference number means this is the reference number. This is the reference number, BKPF reference number. This is XBLNR. This is Belnar. This is XBLNR. How to check whether it is Belnar or not? Press F1. Go to technical field. See, this is Belnar field. BLNR. Now, how to check this reference? F1. Technical. See XBLNR. This is the XBLNR field. So now, any reference, for example, while posting FI vendor, if you are mentioning any invoice number here, VF01, means VF01 document will be given to the billing document, will be given to the customer. That document will be updated in the document information will be updated, reference document information. In case of customer I am tracking. In case of other this process, whatever the information coming in this reference field, that should be means available in your uploading file as well. Here 86 field. Belnar, XBLNR, other than check number, other than transfer number here, after the end of this BTC, you could find check number, or in some cases you will find transfer number. But except these two, all rest of the things will come in note to payee only. So accordingly, you have to analyze the note to payee. For example, if your business is asking you to clear based on a reference document number, then first step for you to take one document number sample from the SAP, then match the same period EBS file, whether you are getting the document number or reference number in 86 field or not. If it is not coming there, then you have to inform to your business that this is not possible. That is the concept of algorithms. Here we have different algorithm. If you want to clear based on the check number, use 11. If you want to clear based on the assignment number, use 15. 015. If you want to clear document number, use 20. If you want to clear reference number, this one. I don't want to interpret, means I don't want to clear. If you don't want to clear, then use this no interpretation. When you are uploading this EBS file into the SAP, system will not interpret this note to pay information. So there won't be any clearing here. So based on this based on your requirement, you have to use different algorithms. All the logic for searching and mapping, everything done, means already done by SAP. No further custom code is required. Here coming to these two, 20 in interviews, you will typically we will use these numbers 11, 15, 20, 21, and you have to memorize. If you are a fresher or job seeker, you have to memorize. You may get a question based on this one. So now coming to Belnar and XBLNR. These two are, will understand here. Now I am going to the one SAP documentation. Now note that you must enter the possible intervals for documents, reference document, using the values Bellner number and number range and XBLNR number range. So whenever you are using this Bellner 20 and 21 algorithms in your configuration, then you have to enter the number range. So then where to enter this number range means, we will see in coming classes. I will show you where to enter this number range, because if you don't enter this number range while uploading the bank statement, system will not clear anything. That is the concept you have to remember. For these two only, this is applicable for these two only. Now we have many here, we have lot of interpret algorithms here from 1 to 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, 21. Here we have the information. I will upload this for your reference. This is SAP's document only. Now coming to, okay, up to 121. Maybe we have more. In some cases what will happen, what are the algorithms provided by the SAP may not be suitable for your requirement. So then what to do? SAP gave these slots 901, 901 to 909. That means if you have any requirement, if your requirement is not getting satisfied, means for clearing purpose, whatever means already provided in SAP, then you can create your own algorithm from use this number. For that, use this number 901 to 909. That is the concept. The practical example is UTR number. In Indian context, UTR number. When SAP means when RBI changed the UTR length for RTGS, earlier it used to be less than 18. Now UTR number is 22 digits. For 22 digits, for this one, SAP give that the existing, whatever the existing algorithms we have, we cannot use this one. We have to create one new 901 based on your slot 901, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can create maximum. These are the means free slots. You can create your own custom algorithm. You have to use that custom algorithm in your configuration. So that is the concept here. To summarize, complete discussion on algorithm. Algorithm main job is clearing only. Again, that is subject to posting rule. That you have to remember clearly. Let us take this example. The second entry, the third, when you upload, system is posting this entry: outgoing payment, clearing account debit to main bank account. This entry is clearing open items of this one based on check number, document number, reference number, assignment number. It could be anything based on your algorithm configuration. But again, the clearing should be permitted by the posting rule used in the configuration. This is one example of posting rule. See, here we have posting type. Under this posting type, this should be enabled. Like if you are posting to the GL here, for this case, since we are posting to the GL, credit, clear, debit GL. This is the fourth one, is the relevant one. This posting rule for this one, this posting rule should allow this clear debit GL. Else, there is no use of algorithm in GL to GL posting area 1. That you have to understand clearly. Now coming to the posting area 2. Posting area 2 means this involves either customer or vendor. This is direct postings. Means directly receiving the amount from the customer, and end users are not passing any intermediary account. We are not using any intermediary incoming or payment accounts here. So direct transfers, direct debits, these kind of the things here. So this process flow, customer and sales, here main bank account debit to the customer account. Here the algorithm serves two purposes. First one, finding the customer. How system will find? Based on your algorithm, means if it is a document number will be means checked in open item tables. Accordingly, it will fetch the customer in the document. So then finding the customer. Second one, clearing the open items. Whatever the documents system found based on the search, this will clear all those documents. Again, this clearing should be permitted. this should be permitted by posting rule. You should remember this clearly. This should be permitted by posting rule. Let us assume that this is the posting rule. Here we have one sample posting rule. This is for the customer only. We are receiving directly from the customer, and when we upload, system is posting this entry. Here we have all the controls here. Posting type 8, clear credit subledger. See, this is the credit one. We selected here, clear the credit one. So here in case of the 8, if you select post subledger account credit, that means we are controlling. Even though you are using the algorithm in your configuration, that will be useful only for finding of the customer only. It won't clear anything there. That you have to understand the clearly. First one, in case of the GL to GL posting area 1, if it is not permitted in the background, like clear debit GL account, then there is no use of whether you use algorithm in your configuration, whether you don't use algorithm in your configuration, it doesn't make any sense. But again, we will have benefit. Obviously, using the algorithm will have benefits, like take the examples of algorithm 15 assignment number. What system will do? It won't clear the entries, but it will post. For example, here we have assignment number 1, 2, 3. It will post this entry, but both this entry and this entry will be shown in open items only. But at the time of saving this one, system will update assignment number in this one for the purpose of clearing it at a later point of time, so that user can clear it manually. So that will obviously will have that kind of the benefit using the for GL case using a algorithm, but clearing is restricted. Coming to customer, algorithm will do two things: finding the customer, clearing the open item. Again, clearing the open item should be permitted by the posting rule. If not permitted, only algorithm will find customer only, and it will post the entry to the customer accounts. In interview, you may get a question based on this one. So you have to be clear about the concept. Hope you understand the complete concept of algorithm. I tried my best to explain the concept. Don't forget to rate the course by leaving your comments in reviews. Thank you very much.